Good evening, everybody. Assalamu alaikum. Namaste. How's everybody? Hope everybody is fine. Yeah, that is a sad news. As you have read the title, I'm gonna quit vlogging. So, I'm sorry, guys. I mean, I don't know. I have so many other things to do, you know. Go to work, get up 4 o'clock and do my job and come back home and then look after for family. And then I'm studying three courses. One is like apprenticeship of logistics, and there are 2 more. I'm not gonna mention them now because I might not pass them. There's a lot to study. I'm too much under pressure, so I'm just thinking to close this vlogging thingy. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Come on, tell me the truth. How many of you thought I am serious? No way. I can't stop vlogging because that's the only thing which keeps me holding. And you guys are big support for me, which always holds me from dropping down. You guys are uplifting me every day. You guys are source of inspiration. You guys are my fuel. So just keep fueling me, you know. Keep fuming me, you know. Just keep backing me up. I love you all very much. The reasons why I was not vlogging, I know. I've got all the answers with me. I know there are so many questions where I have been. Look behind me, what a beautiful view, guys. See, this is what I've been doing. Yeah, first of all, thank you very much for people who have been sending me messages up and down on Instagram, on Twitter, on my live emails, where I have been, what I am doing, why I'm not making any vlogs on my English channel. Well, that's another point. I've got 2 channels, so I was a bit divided between both the channels. Anyways, why I have not been making vlogs for English channel, because I am studying some courses. First of all, I told you I am studying the apprenticeship of logistics, which is still going on. So I need to give most of the time to that course. And then there's another course. There are other 2 courses which I don't want to mention now because I might not pass them, which needs lots of study. So most of the time I need to concentrate on all 3 courses. That's the reason I am not on English channel. Now, above all this, I have another channel which is RK Gupshup. If you haven't visited my RK Gupshup channel, do so. I'll leave a link underneath. And apart from that, I've been traveling. Last 2 weeks ago, I went to S.H.E.I.L.D Island, and if you haven't seen that clip, do and visit it. It's beautiful. I mean, I was over the moon when I made my drone clips in S.H.E.I.L.D Island. So this is S.H.E.I.L.D Island. Now you're gonna ask me if this is S.H.E.I.L.D Island and why I'm talking before 2 weeks I went to S.H.E.I.L.D Island. Well, there is a trick, guys. I will just show you. You see, this is the magic. Just stay there. Just stay there till I finish my vlog. Right. Also, I was so busy in traveling that I have missed deadline of one of my projects, and then I was given another time to submit it. What I was busy was with traveling and editing my vlogs. So yeah, these are the reasons I'm not uploading vlogs on my English channel. For my Urdu channel, that's easy, you know. You just say wordings, edit it and upload it, and boom, it's gone. For English channel, I have to sit down and properly think about it. What am I gonna say? Because people might think, oh, she's just bluffing, you know. I don't want to make you bored. So in future, fingers crossed, I will improve my vlogging, and I will bring you something nice to watch. I promise you. And thank you very much for people who have subscribed me already. Not only my RK vlogs, the other channel RK Cup Shop as well. Some of my subscribers have not only subscribed me RK Vlogs, but they have subscribed me RK Cup Shop as well. So I'm really thankful to you all. First of all, Huma Nabil, she's subscribed to both my channels. And then I have Deepika Siddhapra, who have also subscribed to both my channels. I love you ladies, you are great. I mean, great support to encourage me. And there's another one lady, let me just check her name, 1 second. Yes, and she is Nadia Mirza. She is very beautiful lady. She is very humble and loving lady. She keeps sending me positive messages, and I love you ladies all. And in gents, of course, Billy, how can I forget you? He keeps writing me a positive comment. Dear Hamza, my best friend Connie, I mean, all you guys keep supporting me. If you were not there, I wouldn't have come to this stage. Trust me, it's all your support which keeps me going on, and I love the view which is behind me. So yeah, I mean, please pray for me that I get passed into all these courses I'm studying now. Sometimes I feel my brain is very small, and pushing all this information into my mind, someday it will be like whoop, you know, whoop. So just pray for me, and fingers crossed I'm gonna pass them. And what else I wanted to say? Yeah, very soon, next month, it will be our month of Ramadan. So I'm not gonna be vlogging in month of Ramadan because instead of making 5-6 hours for editing, I just want to, you know, concentrate on my prayers and all that. All right, to wrap up this vlog, I just want to make it, you know, small vlog for today. Do pray for me, okay? Keep remembering me in your prayers, and hopefully after Ramadan I'll come back again with full energy, finished all my courses, concentrating on vlogging, and we'll make some more good energetic vlogs again. Okay, so till then, you take a good care of yourself, and I will see you after Ramadan. Thank you very much. Love you all. Bye bye. And enjoy the view, guys. This is my own clip taken at S.H.E.I.L.D. Island. Enjoy it.